I'm going to get the skid steer out, and we're going to swing the arm out, and we're going to show you how everything works. Alright, so I'm going to try to get some room around here, because with this big old 15-foot boom, it's really out there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump out and bring the legs down so we can see this thing. All right, now I got some legs, because what happens is the hydraulics, they will settle. Raise the brush head up, let this down so you guys can see it. So that's that. So now, and you're going to see this brand new skid steer all set up, ready to go. So what we've done is we powder coated the frame that hooks up to the skid steer, the JCB. We also powder coated the frame for the water tank, and all the yellow that was on the skid steer, we painted it white. Instead of yellow, we painted it white. So I've got to do my drain valve, and then our pipes that will go right here with the control valve so we can fill the tank. And then on the other side is the hose that will go over to the water pump. That's all I've got left to do with this, and then we'll take it outside, turn on the water pump, get water going, check everything out, make sure there's no debris in the tips, and we're all dialed in, so that'll all be good to go. Branding, we'll do a little bit of AM pressure washing branding on the skid steer with our logos and everything, and that is it. Hope everybody likes it. Check it out. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a shout out. Leave me a comment. But if you got any questions, call me, 951-440-9063, or you're more than welcome to shoot me an email, mark@ampw.co, not .com. Everybody have a great day. And also, one last thing. Today at 5 o'clock, we'll have our podcast. So the skid steer is going to be set up here. Log in to AM Pressure Washing on YouTube and check our podcast out at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. Everybody have a great day. Peace.